As you proceed with filling in your company details, it is important to present your company to the general public in the best possible light. This tutorial will guide you through the process. To begin, enter your company name along with a brief description of your business. Remember that this information will be used for advertising your company on a web page, so take your time to craft a compelling company sales biography. If you have a website, be sure to include it. If not, you can always add it later as your business grows. In addition to your company name, provide information on the company you work for and your company number. If you do not have a company number, you can leave this field blank. Next, you will need to include your VAT NIF or CIF title for use on invoices. Many people opt to use acronyms for this. If you are VAT registered, it is a legal requirement to include your VAT number on your invoices, so make sure to add this information. Finally, you will need to include titles for your processes. Keep in mind that a quote and an estimation are two different things. A quote is a fixed price, while an estimate is simply an estimated cost. By following these guidelines, you will be able to create a professional and informative invoice that accurately represents your business. Once this is done, click Update Information and move on to your contact information.